Well, technology is transforming the way of work, and we want to make sure that we're not using 21st century technology to create 19th century working conditions. Many of the working practices of some of the platforms such as Uber and others, they reflect pretty closely the sort of problems which existed over 100 years ago in sectors of casualization, on-demand work, where workers had no real rights, they had no pensions, they now had no opportunity to say no to a boss. Now, that's not necessarily advanced in terms of technology. We can certainly use some of the opportunities that technology give, but we have to give those workers rights to organize, right to be able to negotiate their wages and remunerations, their working time, and indeed some system where they can have fair pension and health coverage. That can't all be provided by the state. In some countries it is an important part of the social protection package, but basically also employers, including Uber, have to accept that they have an employment relationship with their employees, but they're not just technology companies, they're really transport providers, and that's a key issue of the future. The second part of the message is also looking much wider at the questions of how technology is used in firms. We think workers don't leave their brains behind when they go to an office or a factory in the morning. They actually basically know how the job is done, and skills are often underutilized. How to improve both working conditions, job quality, and also productivity at the same time. So that's an agenda, I'd call it, for a workers' agenda for raising productivity and actually using technology in the future.